the other one for succeeding through people.
Lehendakari jauna, instituzio ezberdinetik etorritako agintariak, mundu zabaletik Bilbora, Euskal Herrira ikastera etorri zaretenak, Olabideko lagunak, gabon. Ikusten duzen bezala, hiru pertsona jogea holtzara ikastore izenean. Azken batean, Olabide ikastola erakunde handia delako, ikasle asko ditulako, guraso asko eta historia zabala duelako. Eta beste aldetikan, gure ezaugarrietako bat delako talderana. Eta horregatik ere, honea etortzenako sari jasotera, taldean etorregia. Eraldikan besterik ez, ikastolako lehendakariari hitza eman baino lehen, esan oso pozik gaudela jaso dugun sariagatikan, eta benetan oso eskartu gaudela guztiongatikan, eta luzatu nahi diet nire lankidei eskerron hau, aitzatzezpen hau, berai lanagatikan iritsi galako oneraino. Eskerrik asko.
Prize in the name of Olabide Ikastola. When this project began in the mid-60s, there were no presidents or management positions, just people who set to work so that children could be taught in Basque in our city. These were years when such an idea was almost an utopia. About 30 people offered the professional knowledge, their money, including those who didn't have much to spare, and above all, their generous determination, and set out on an adventure whose outcome was by no means certain, working shoulder to shoulder. They joined together for a language which at that time was in danger of extinction, and which even today UNESCO classifies as vulnerable language in danger. In those days, nobody talked about the EFQM model, but all its attributes were already present. Teamwork, commitment, cohesion around a mission, and the search for the best use of very limited human and material resources. There is no doubt that the EFQ model has helped us to systematize and make the most of those characteristics. From now on, this European recognition will enable us to share experiences with other organizations on a European level and to continue on our path forward, improving towards excellence. Eskerrik asko. And just to finish, they asked us for a creative thing, and we have composed some verses for the occasion. They were made by John Santos, one of the teachers of Olabide Ikastola, and Andone is going to sing them, and the others have to help her with the end.
Laguntza eskatzen dizuet bertxotan, errepikatu mesedez nirekin. Gu Olabidean poz-pozik gaude, saria jaso Europan. Gu Olabide poz-pozik gaude, saria jaso Europan. Ona etortzeko laneketxua egin dugu gure artean, ez daigu axola egindakoa, saria izan da Jesuan. Gu Olabide poz-pozik gaude, saria jaso